It's finally happening. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 might be the most ambitious redesign we've ever seen. Leaks are going wild, from dual cameras to a new display setup, and wait till you hear the rumored price. But there's one small twist that could completely change how you see this handheld camera. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be a major leap forward, not just a small upgrade from the Pocket 3. If these rumors turn out to be true, this could easily become DJI's boldest handheld camera ever. The Osmo Pocket 3 already made waves when it launched in late 2023, especially in Japan, where demand skyrocketed even after a price increase. Despite that ongoing success, DJI reportedly isn't slowing down, because the Pocket 4 might already be deep in development. This isn't your typical refresh. Reports suggest the Osmo Pocket 4 could get a complete redesign, moving away from the familiar single-lens setup. According to DroneXL, DJI might replace the current design with a dual-camera system, similar to what we've seen in the DJI Air 3 drone. One camera could feature a larger primary sensor, while the second might handle zoom or depth sensing, allowing for advanced subject tracking or even 3D-style focus effects. And here's where it gets interesting. Spy shots hint at extra glass on the front, which could mean telephoto capability or next-level active track improvements. If that's true, the Pocket 4 could be the first truly smart handheld gimbal camera with real optical depth awareness. Leakers are also claiming the Osmo Pocket 4 might stick with the 1-inch sensor, but this time it could come tuned with Hasselblad color science, the same premium color partnership we've seen on DJI's top-end drones. This could give the Pocket 4 richer tones, more natural skin colors, and cinematic dynamic range right out of the camera. Think of it like DJI's answer to the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 collaboration with Leica. If the leaks are accurate, DJI might introduce a dual-screen setup, a bright 2.5-inch main screen with over 800 nits of brightness for outdoor shooting, plus a front-facing display for vloggers and creators, perfect for those solo travel shots or handheld cinematic. Before we talk release dates, here's the part nobody's talking about: the price jump. Early estimates put the Pocket 4 between $599 and $699, higher than the Pocket 3's launch price. Why? Because this thing is rumored to blend AI-driven tracking, dual cameras, and pro-level color into one pocket-sized device. As for release timing, that's where rumors split. Some sources claim late 2025, while others say 2026 or even 2027. So, we might still be a while away from an official debut. Unconfirmed, but exciting. No FCC filings or official paperwork have surfaced yet, so yes, take all this with a grain of salt. But if even half of it comes true, the Osmo Pocket 4 could easily become DJI's most surprising launch in years, bridging the gap between pocket gimbals and pro-level hybrid cameras. So, what do you think? Is the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 worth the hype? Or are you sticking with the Pocket 3 for now? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you want to see how this compares to the upcoming DJI Action 6, check out my latest leak right here. Action cam glory, DJI said, "Hold my battery pack." The biggest head turner? Smartwatch integration. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine hitting the trail, diving into the ocean, or sprinting up a mountain and controlling your camera straight from your Apple Watch or Garmin. Start/stop recording, switch modes, track your heart rate, altitude, pace, even dive data. Oh no, Garmin fans are getting spoiled with exclusive goodies like cadence and power metrics. It's like your wrist just became mission control. And the camera specs? Oh man, DJI isn't playing around. A 1-inch CMOS sensor delivers crisp detail, while video options like 8K at 30 frames per second or buttery-smooth 4K at 120 frames per second make this a filmmaker's dream. Design-wise, it's bulkier, thank that bigger sensor, but oh yes, it's waterproof down to 20 meters without a case. Plus, you're getting Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, USB-C with possible DisplayPort, and a hefty 1,950 mAh battery that powers over 4 hours of 4K. Release is set for October 2025, with prices starting around $329. Adventure seekers, get ready. This one's gonna fly off shelves. The smartwatch is now your action cam's sidekick. Start/stop recording? Easy. Switch modes? Done. And here's the kicker. All your GPS, heart rate, oxygen levels, and speed data, swoosh, seamlessly synced into your footage in real time. Talk about next-level storytelling. Ha ha ha! Bluetooth's doing all the heavy lifting here, keeping things connected on the fly. The headline feature is its massive 1-inch sensor, delivering an incredible 13.5 stops of dynamic range. Whoa, that's fire! On top of that, video shooters are in for a treat. 8K at 30 frames per second, 5.3K at 60 frames per second, and buttery smooth 4K at 120 frames per second slow motion. DJI leaker Mauro Tandoi posted about DJI Osmo Action 6. He said that the DJI Action 6 model AC006 is compatible with the DJI 30-watt USB-C charger and works in temperatures from -20 degrees to 45 degrees. It offers Wi-Fi with 802.11 ABGN/AC/AX protocols across multiple frequency bands, and supports Bluetooth 5.1 with reliable 2.4 GHz connectivity. DJI has followed a consistent pattern with its action camera launches, typically arriving in late summer to early fall. The Osmo Action 1 debuted in September 2022, followed by the Osmo Action 4 in August 2023, and then the Osmo Action 5 Pro in September 2024. Given this steady cycle, the most likely launch window for the Osmo Action 6 falls between August and October 2025. Adding fuel to the fire, FCC filings popped up in early 2025 alongside supply chain leaks and prototype photos. All signs point to an announcement as early as late August or September 2025. So yes, mark your calendars, because this summer could be the one where DJI redefines action cameras yet again. These aren't your typical fuzzy low-res leaks either. The photos look sharp, clean, and confident, almost like DJI is teasing us on purpose. Out of nowhere. Can you believe it? These images popped up just as DJI's 180-day FCC confidentiality period expired, a classic sign that something official is brewing behind the scenes. While DJI hasn't said a single word publicly, the visuals scream volumes. From what we can see, the Osmo Action 6 is sticking to the dual screen setup we've come to love. One screen on the back, one on the front. Oh yeah, that's exactly what we want. That design has always been a favorite with vloggers and adventurers who want to stay perfectly in frame without flipping the camera around. That's it. But here's the kicker. What's really got everyone buzzing is the mysterious pill-shaped component tucked right beneath the front screen. Wait, what? It's not a speaker, it's not a button, or at least not one we recognize. Speculation is already running wild. Could it be a new sensor? Maybe some kind of gesture control pad? Or something totally fresh we haven't seen before in an action cam? I didn't see that coming. The suspense is real, and honestly, that unknown element just adds to the hype. Haha! This is getting good. Design-wise, the Osmo Action 6 looks a lot like the Action 5 Pro, which isn't a bad thing at all. That model was praised for its rugged build and crystal clear visuals, but there are subtle changes, refinements maybe, that suggest DJI isn't just copy-pasting here. Those small tweaks could mean big upgrades, especially for grip, weight, or even thermal control. Come on now, DJI, this better be fire. Because these little details can make a huge difference. Even more interestingly, recent FCC filings confirmed two different battery sizes, 1,770 mAh and 1,500 mAh. Are you serious? This strongly hints at a dual model release, likely a standard and a pro version, something DJI has done before. Smart move.